Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu states that he heard from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he was standing on the pulpit, "Your age as compared to that of the peoples prior to you is like the time between the Asr prayer to the sunset." The people of the Torah, the Jews, were granted the Torah and they acted upon it up to noon and got exhausted. So they were awarded 1 carat. Thereafter the people of the Gospel were granted the Gospel and they acted upon it up to the Asr prayer and got tired. So they were also awarded 1 carat. Then you were granted the Quran and you acted upon it up to the sunset. So you were awarded 2 carats. The people of the Torah thereupon submitted, "O Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, they have worked quite less but got much wages." He Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon said, "Have I done any injustice to you regarding your wages?" They replied, "No." He Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon said, "It is my favor which I confer upon whom I pleased." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7467.